Hey guys, what's up? So I just did a grocery haul and I'm just gonna take you through what I got. Currently I'm bulking, so this is kind of like a, I don't know, you could use this if you're trying to lose weight as well. But I'll try to just go through this as fast as possible without much bullshit. And yeah, oh, first things first, you might notice, I got a new tattoo. Before you come after me about money, I just made a video about how like variety is a bit of a luxury in my life right now for financial reasons. This was a trade. It didn't cost me anything. I am training a local tattoo artist, so in exchange for training, we are doing a cover-up tattoo. I'll put, it's hard to see from here, so the finished product, what it's supposed to look like is right here. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Right, yep, it's my favorite. I'll probably talk about the meaning behind it and all that like in a later video. This is about food. So here we go. All right, so almond milk, first things first. I use that for protein shakes, for my morning coffee, all that sort of stuff. Bananas. This is probably a pretty large portion of my carb sources because I love them. And also I put them in my morning waffles with my shit waffles, as we call them. Recipes in my cookbook. The base of my diet right now would be protein. So we've got some ground turkey. Two of these. Then we got 2 packs of just regular old chicken breast. Brussels sprouts, carrots, garlic, lime, eggs. Got some yellow peppers and onion. I like to cook those up as kind of a topping lately. It's been kind of nice. I have to cook my onions really well or else they make me a little gassy. So pro tip, you might want to be careful about the raw onions if you have a sensitive stomach like me. Big bag of white rice. I've been doing more white rice lately because I just get full so easy. And I'm having a hard time putting on some weight. So I do more rice. I still have my other carb source of sweet potatoes, but these are gonna be probably just like later, like my dinner source of carbs, and these are gonna be like my post-workout carbs, just because they're a lot easier to digest, quicker to digest, and they don't really fill me up very much. Cilantro. Spray oil for mostly for my waffles or like egg stuff because you know shit sticks and gotta make sure that doesn't happen. Got my spices, which are curry powder and coconut milk. I'm gonna try and experiment with like a new type of salsa chicken and see if I could do like a curry version. Avocado. 2 jars of salsa. Because I'm probably going to do 1 regular salsa chicken and then 1 curry version so I can have variety. I'll keep you posted on the recipe if that works out. And then I got myself a little treat. And this is kombucha. They're actually cheaper in these big bottles. It's not, you know, I like the small bottles because they don't lose the carbonation. These ones, like if you don't drink them fast enough, then it's not as, you know, carbonated, but much cheaper in the big bottle. So I decided to treat myself with that. And that's it. In the fridge, I already have some cabbage and what else do I have? Yeah, I have some more peppers. So yeah, this is it, guys. Hope you like this video and it's like super helpful. But yeah, so I'm bulking right now and trying to hopefully make some gains. Of course, I'll keep you updated with physique updates. I haven't done one of those in, I don't know. Anyways, I'm so tired. Gonna be real with you. But yeah, this, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll probably do another cooking video, vlog video, whatever. I'm kind of experimenting to see with videos and just kind of going with it. See what I like to do, see what people like. But tell me what you like down below. Anyways, I'm gonna go. But thanks for watching. And happy happy eating, happy muscle building, happy exercising, and I will see you next time. Peace out.